Don't get caught out with a poor quality air fryer. Carefully consider the design, cooking capacity, and versatility before spending your money on a new air fryer. With that in mind, I've spent the last few months researching all of the best air fryers on the market so that you can buy a top-rated air fryer that you're happy with. Links to each of the contenders are in the description box. The first product on my air fryer review list is the popular Ninja 4-in-1 air fryer, which is a versatile kitchen appliance that will genuinely revolutionize your cooking experience with its multiple functions and health-conscious design. You'll love the versatility of this Ninja air fryer because with its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and even dehydrate foods. This means you can create a wide variety of dishes from crispy fries to juicy roasted meats, all in one compact appliance. The health-conscious design is a standout feature. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This is perfect if you're looking to maintain a balanced diet without sacrificing taste. Temperature control is a breeze with this air fryer. The wide range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to precisely cook different types of food. You can gently remove moisture for dehydration or quickly crisp up foods with convection heat. The 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket is ideal for small to medium-sized households. It can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for snacks or side dishes. The non-stick coating ensures your food doesn't stick and makes cleanup a breeze. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but not with this Ninja air fryer. The basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You can simply wipe down the exterior to keep it looking sleek and clean. The included recipe booklet is a great starting point for your air frying journey. With 20 recipes to choose from, you'll have plenty of inspiration for your meals. This can help you get the most out of your new appliance and explore its full potential. Next up on my best air fryer brand list, we have the COSORI Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, which brings professional grade cooking to your kitchen, powerful with its performance, versatile cooking options, and user-friendly design. Its standout feature is the Turbo Blaze technology, which cranks up the fan speed to 3,600 revolutions per minute. This means you get incredibly crispy exteriors while keeping the inside juicy and tender. You'll be amazed at how quickly it cooks, perfect for those busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table fast. Temperature control is a breeze with this air fryer. You can adjust it from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook a wide range of dishes. Whether you're gently dehydrating fruits or searing a steak, you've got the precision you need. The 5-fan speed system takes this versatility even further, allowing you to fine-tune the airflow for different foods. Capacity is always a consideration with air fryers, and the COSORI doesn't disappoint. The 6-quart basket is spacious enough to cook for a family, yet its square design keeps the footprint manageable on your counter. You'll appreciate how it can handle larger cuts of meat or a whole chicken without overcrowding. One of the most impressive aspects of this air fryer is how quiet it is. Even at high fan speeds, it operates at less than 53 decibels. That's about as loud as a quiet conversation. You won't have to shout over it or worry about it disturbing your household while you cook. Cleaning is often a chore with kitchen appliances, but COSORI has made it simple. The non-stick basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, so you can toss them in after use and forget about them. This feature alone might make you reach for the air fryer more often, knowing cleanup won't be a hassle. The 5th product on my best rated air fryer list is the remarkable CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, which is a versatile powerhouse that has the potential to revolutionize your cooking experience. This air fryer boasts an impressive 10-liter capacity, perfect for whipping up family-sized meals or meal prepping in bulk. You'll love how it can handle everything from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken with ease. The extra-large window lets you keep an eye on your culinary creations without interrupting the cooking process. One of the standout features is the 17 preset options on the touchscreen control panel. Whether you're in the mood for fries, chicken wings, or even dehydrated fruits, there's a setting tailored just for you. This takes the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures, ensuring consistent results every time. The CHEFMAN air fryer uses rapid air technology to cook food faster than traditional ovens. You won't need to wait for preheating, saving you precious time on busy weeknights. Plus, it uses up to 98% less oil than deep frying, making it a healthier alternative for your favorite crispy treats. Cleanup is super simple with this appliance. The removable drip tray catches any excess oil or food particles, while the dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking tidying quick and painless. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Safety features are a priority with this model. It's CETL approved and comes with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. The auto shutoff function gives you peace of mind, preventing overcooking or potential hazards if you get distracted. Checking in at number 4 is the space-saving Ninja SP 101 digital air-fried countertop oven, which I really think is one of the best air fryers on the market today. You'll love the Ninja SP 101's digital crisp control technology. This feature allows you to precisely adjust temperature, heat source, and airflow, giving you ultimate control over your cooking. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking, you can achieve perfect results every time. The 8-in-1 functionality is honestly a game changer for your kitchen. You can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, make bagels, toast, dehydrate, and keep food warm all in one appliance. This versatility means you can prepare a wide range of dishes without cluttering your countertop with multiple gadgets. Speaking of countertop space, the Ninja SP 101's flip-up design is ingenious. When you're done cooking, simply flip it up and away to store against your kitchen backsplash. This feature reclaims 50% of your counter space compared to traditional countertop ovens. You'll be impressed by the Ninja SP 101's cooking speed. It preheats in just 60 seconds and cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven when using the air roast function. This means you can have full meals ready in as little as 20 minutes, perfect for busy weeknights. The large capacity of this air fryer oven is another standout feature. It boasts a 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to similar models. You can easily fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. This generous size makes it ideal for families or when you're entertaining guests. Up next on my best air fryer reviews roundup is the innovative Typhur Dome air fryer, which, besides being super sleek and stylish, brings professional grade cooking to your kitchen with its 360 degrees heating technology. This innovative system, inspired by pizza ovens, revolutionizes airflow and circulation. You'll notice a significant reduction in cooking time, up to 30% faster than traditional air fryers. Dual heating elements and temperature sensors work together to ensure your food is cooked evenly, minimizing the need for constant shaking or flipping. Speed is a standout feature of the Dome. You can cook 32 chicken wings in just 14 minutes or sear 2 steaks in 8 minutes. This rapid cooking ability is perfect for busy households or when you're entertaining guests. The air fryer's large capacity allows you to prepare meals for the whole family without multiple batches. One of the most impressive aspects of the Typhur Dome is its whisper-quiet operation. At just 55 decibels, you can enjoy crispy, delicious food without the typical noise associated with the air fryers. This feature is particularly valuable if you have an open-plan living space or if you like to cook early in the morning or late at night. The Dome air fryer is a true multitasker, boasting 15 different cooking functions. From air frying and baking to grilling and dehydrating, this appliance can replace several kitchen tools, saving you valuable counter space. Plus, the non-stick ceramic basket makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, while the dishwasher-safe components add to its convenience. Perhaps the most unique feature of the Typhur dome is its self-cleaning mode. This function removes oil and stains from the top cavity in just 2 hours, keeping your appliance in pristine condition. You can activate this mode through the app once a month, ensuring your air fryer stays clean with minimal effort on your part. The only downside is the price. But if you look at this top-rated air fryer as a long-term kitchen investment, then it could be the way to go. Now for the runner-up on my best air fryer comparison, and let me tell you, it was a close call. In my opinion, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the second best air fryer on the market today. But depending on what you're looking for, it could easily be your #1 pick. With its Element IQ system, you'll enjoy precise and even cooking every time. This technology uses 6 independent quartz elements to steer power where it's needed most, eliminating cold spots and ensuring perfect results. You'll be amazed by the 13 cooking functions at your fingertips. From toasting and baking to air frying and dehydrating, this oven does it all. The air fry setting is particularly impressive, combining higher temperatures with super convection to deliver crispy, golden results that rival deep-fried foods. The super convection technology sets this oven apart from the competition. With 2 fan speeds, you have greater control over your cooking process. The super convection setting is perfect for air frying, dehydrating, and roasting, providing a greater volume of hot air for fast and even heat distribution. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design features like the interior oven light that automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle. This allows you to check on your food without opening the door and losing heat. The LCD display is another user-friendly touch, providing easy access to all cooking functions and indicating when preheating is complete. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro comes with a range of accessories to enhance your cooking experience. You'll receive a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, a 9x13-inch broil rack and enamel roasting pan, and a mesh basket rack for dehydrating and air frying. These accessories allow you to make the most of the oven's capabilities right out of the box. So, what is the best air fryer to buy? Out of all the different air fryers on the market, I'd have to say that the Emeril Lagasse XL air fryer oven is the best air fryer for the money. You'll love the sheer versatility of this air fryer. With 25 cooking presets, you can tackle everything from quick snacks to full family meals. The huge 26-quart capacity means you can easily fit a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound chicken, perfect for feeding a crowd. The dual-speed fan is a standout feature. It circulates superheated air at 360 degrees, giving you that coveted golden fried crispiness without the guilt of deep frying. You'll be amazed at how crispy your food turns out, all while using little to no oil. French doors add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. They open with a single pull, revealing an interior light that lets you keep an eye on your cooking progress. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but is also durable and easy to clean. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design touches. The toast function, for example, automatically shuts off when the countdown timer ends, preventing burnt toast. An indicator light changes from red to blue when toasting is complete, so you always know when your food is ready. The digital controls are intuitive and easy to use. You can adjust temperature settings up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your cooking. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or using any of the other cooking functions, you'll find this appliance incredibly user-friendly. And there you have it, my list of the best air fryers on the market. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product mentioned are in the description.